Good morning. We're going to discuss here the rate of change, how to get the rate of change. In order for us to be able to get the rate of change, given a certain table, what we need to do is to look at how much it increased or decreased in a certain quantity. But of course, we always have to start with the y, and this is going to be our x. Okay? So here, since our distance is from 6 to 12, there is an increase of 6 meters between 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24. And then we divide it with what the time is, what is the change in the time. So from 0 to 1, there is also an increase of 1. So we have to do a positive 1 right here. When we simplify 6 divided by 1, is going to be 6. And therefore, the rate of change is 6 meters per second. So this is the rate of change of the first table. What about for the second table? The same thing follows. We have to go through the y first and then to the x. So the y changed from 0 to 9, so it's a plus 9. And then divided by with the x, which is from 0 to 1, which is a plus 1. Therefore, here is going to be $9 per hour. Okay, so this is the rate of change of the second table. Now, if you're given a graph, something like this for the cost of shirts, what happened is, to get for the rate of change is just simply follow the slope formula, which is the rise over run. So we count how many steps we go up. We increased from 9 to 18, that is a 9, divided by the run, which is going also to the right, which is positive. So the run there is 1. From 1 to 2, it's going to be 1. So 9 divided by 1 is 9. So the rate here is $9 per shirt, because the x values here represent the shirt. Okay? And that's about finding the rate of change.